Let's make fried rice today. Vegetable egg fried rice. You can find chicken fry recipe at the end. Now for the rice. Add 2 tablespoons butter first. After melting, add 1 chopped onion, 2 chopped green chilies, when the onion is softened, add ½ tablespoon ginger garlic paste. After frying for 2 minutes, add 1½ cups frozen or fresh veggies. I have used frozen carrot, cauliflower, broccoli, and peas here. After frying for 10 minutes, add 1 chopped red capsicum. One teaspoon tasting salt. Salt to taste. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. 2 tablespoons tomato sauce. Mix well. After cooking for 10 minutes, make place for egg at the middle of the pan. Add little oil. 2 beaten eggs. Scramble the egg. Mix the egg with the vegetable. Add 3 cups previously cut rice. Try to add the rice into portions and mix well. Almost done. And ready. Check out this to enjoy a good chicken fry recipe with fried rice.